Hello everyone, my name is Ankush Agrawal. Over here I am going to discuss about end-to-end IoT online training program provided by the Mishi solution. In this 4-minute video, I will be covering below topics. First, the details of Mishi 4 days and 8 days IoT training program and how we will be delivering these trainings online. So we are providing below courses on IoT, 4 days IoT training program. In this program, we will be deep diving into the theory and the concept of the IoT, both on hardware and the software of the IoT. Then we would be taking 8 days IoT training program. In this, we would be taking the 4 days of theory, which was into the first program, and the 4 days of hands-on on practice to build your end-to-end IoT device. This is basically the extension of the 4 days program. In these trainings, we will cover below topics. First, the introduction of IoT and how IoT can be useful to us and how IoT is going to change our life. Next, the different business opportunity and career with the IoT, and then different architecture used in IoT like network architecture and the device architecture. We will be covering sensors in quite deep details, and then we would be talking about IoT hardware devices like Arduino board, Raspberry Pi board, OTA board, and many others, and many new boards as well. And then we would be talking about the communication protocol in details like wired communication protocols, say for example Ethernet, USB, RS-485, and the wireless communication protocols, say for example 6LoWPAN, Zigbee, Z-Wave, etc. And then we would be talking about the different application layer protocols and the selection criteria. Going ahead, we would be talking about the transport layer protocol like TCP and UDP. Then we would be talking about the cloud and the cloud service provider companies. Then we would be talking about the design consideration of IoT product, in which we would be talking about what would be the selection criteria for sensors, for hardware devices, for the communication protocols, the application layer protocols, and the transport layer protocol, and the some other criteria which should be considered for designing the product. Then we would be talking about the existing smart product into the market. Into the hands-on session, we would be first of all talking about the introduction of the component, then setting up the boards, and then interfacing different input and output devices to the board. And then we would be talking about interfacing analog and digital sensors to the board. And next we would be talking about Bluetooth module interfacing and creating the personal area network using the Bluetooth. So in this session, we would be controlling the board and the devices which are connected to the board using the mobile. Then we would be talking about interfacing of Wi-Fi module and creating the local area network. In this case, we would be controlling the board using the web application, and then we would be sending the data to the cloud. So that's how you will be making your end-to-end IoT product using some of the above sensors or the devices and the Wi-Fi modules. How this training will take place? Kits will be sent to you through the courier. We will make sure that you will be getting the kits before hands-on start. Training link would be sent to you through the mail, so you would be able to join the online training. We, co-founder of Mishi Solution, will be personally delivering this training online. We have trained more than 400 pupils online till now. We are looking forward to having you on board. Happy IoT!